All right, everybody, welcome back to Orange Track Outlaws. It's race night again. You know the drill. We're going to pick another 36 cars, find the fastest, race them against the best, see who wins. Let's get started. There we go. I got the Bomb Squad truck. Got a semi-looking Hot Wheels original. Got here a little bit of an old school car there. How about the funny car? Got here, looks like another Jaguar J220. Those are always quick. We got the Mustang convertible. There's 6. Got the Shelby Concept, I think. Got the this guy, way too fast. One of my faves. Like it. Same with this. Sweet looking Mustang. How about this GTO? That thing looks cool. What else we got here? Cool. Okay, got one more here. Oh, looks sweet. Little Hot Wheel original, number 12. How about this guy? We got the orange Camaro. Got the purple Lambo, metal base. That's kind of heavy. I bet that one's fast. Oh, this is a sweet car. Ferrari 308. How about this thing? Big old semi. Those can be quick. Let's find out. How about the NASCAR truck? What else you want to do here? What about this guy? That's cool. Alright. Halfway there. Big old heavy car. Metal base. All metal. These can be quick. Number 41 NASCAR. How about this guy? Mustang Coupe. It's kind of big and heavy. What's next? What's next? How about this guy? It's like Charger cop car. How about this guy here? A little Mustang Mach 1. What's next? How about this guy? It's like a Firebird. Alright. Keep on rolling here. Lambo. Camaro. How about this? The ambulance van. This is supposed to be fast. I can't wait to see this one. What else is down here? What else is down here? I see some FTE wheels. Ferrari. Let's try that guy. What else? What else? What about this guy? Another Ferrari. Alright, about this guy here. Looks like a Hot Wheels original. Okay, I think I need 6 more to go. What do we got? More after another Ferrari with FTs. Sweet. About this guy? 80s Camaro. About this guy? This has got some high-speed racing wheels on it. I bet that's fast. About this yellow car right here? That looks like a Mustang race car. 2 more. 2 more. What do you guys think? Oh, how about this? This is cool looking. Hopper with the flames. 1 more. 1 more. What do I want? How about that right there? That's sweet. Judge. Alright. Here's a look at our new lineup. I'm going to set them up and get them racing. I'll see you in a minute. Alright, race 1's up and ready. In lane 1, we got Sir Ominous. In lane 2, we got the Circle Trucker. In lane 3, we got the Split Vision. In lane 4, we got the Fast 4-Wheel Drive. In lane 5, we got the Ferrari 308. In lane 6, we got the Shadow Jet. Who do we like here? Love that Ferrari 308. That's my pick. Let's race. Okay, race 1. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Fast four-wheel drive. Wow. Okay, race 2's up and ready. Lane 1, the 69 GTO. Lane 2, the Daytona 500 race car. Lane 3, 65 Mustang convertible. Lane 4, 85 Camaro. Lane 5, 2018 Camaro. In lane 6, we got the Hot Wheels Quambi. What are you liking? That GTO lane 1 looks good to me. That's my pick. Let's race. All right, race 2. 3, 2, 1. Quambi it is, out in front.
Winner, lane 6.
Quambi it is, out in front.
Winner, lane 6.
Okay, race 3, up and ready. In lane 1, we got the Charger drift car. Lane 2, the fat fendered 40. In lane 3, we got the Ferrari 355. In lane 4, the Trans Am. In lane 5, the 2015 Mustang. In lane 6, we got the Spin King with the high-speed racing wheels. Who's it gonna be? The big, heavy, fat fendered Charger drift. I think I'm gonna go with that little Ferrari 355. Let's race. Okay, race 3. 3, 2, 1. Spin King. High-speed racing wheels.
Lane 6.
Spin King. High-speed racing wheels.
Lane 6.
Okay, race 4 is up and ready. I think this is going to be a good one. Lane 1, 67 GTO. Lane 2, the Bomb Squad truck. In lane 3, the 2018 Camaro SS. In lane 4, the Jaguar J220. Lane 5, we got Way Too Fast. And lane 6, we got the Lamborghini. This should be a good one. Lanes 4, 5, and 6 all should be fast. I think the Bomb Squad truck's going to be a sleeper. Who do we like? I think I'm going Way Too Fast here. Let's find out. Here we go. Okay, race 4. 3, 2, 1. Way Too Fast is out. Oh, look at that medic truck.
Winner, lane 5.
Way Too Fast it is. Way Too Fast is out. Oh, look at that medic truck.
Winner, lane 5.
Way Too Fast it is. Okay, race 5, ready to go. Lane 1, the Solaire CX4. Lane 2, the 92 Mustang. In lane 3, the Ferrari 458 Italia. In lane 4, we got the Cobra Daytona. In lane 5, we got the Firebird funny car. In lane 6, we got the 76 Big Rig. Who do we like here? I think that Big Rig is going to be fast. I'm going with the semi. Who do you like? Let's race. Okay, race 5. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that Shelby Daytona out big.
Winner, lane 4.
Oh, that Shelby Daytona out big.
Winner, lane 4.
right, got the last race here, the semifinals, race 6. Ready to go. Lane 1, we got the Mustang Mach 1. Lane 2, we got the Enzo Ferrari. In lane 3, we got the Firebird. Lane 4 was supposed to be a Mustang, but it had a bad wheel, so we had to swap it out. This Camaro is going to take its place. Lane 5, we got the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. And lane 6, we got the ambulance van. Should be a good one here, but I got to go with that ambulance van. I know some of them vans are quick. That's my pick. Let's find out. All right, race 6. 3, 2, 1. Lamborghini out. Look at that. That's fast.
Winner, lane 5.
Lamborghini out. Look at that. That's fast.
Winner, lane 5.
Okay, here's our winners. Finals race time. Lane 1, we got the Way Too Fast. Lane 2, the Hot Wheels Quambi. In lane 3, the Shelby Cobra Daytona FTE wheels. In lane 4, we got the Spin King with the high-speed racing wheels. In lane 5, we got the fast four-wheel drive. In lane 6, we got the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Should be a good one. Who you picking? I think I'm going to go with the Way Too Fast. That's my pick. Let's find out. Let's race. Okay, finals race. 3, 2, 1. Lamborghini's out. Way Too Fast is coming back. Couldn't make it.
Winner, lane 6.
Lamborghini Sesto. Lamborghini's out. Way Too Fast is coming back. Couldn't make it.
Winner, lane 6.
Lamborghini Sesto. Alright, here's the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento getting his shot at our top 3 here. In lane 1, we got the black Ferrari F40, our current number 1. Lane 2, we have our challenger, the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Lane 5, we got the Firebird Funny Gar, which is the current number 3. In lane 6, we get the orange Lamborghini Estoque, the current number 2. Who's it going to be tonight? Orange Lamborghini going to take that F40 back over? Is the Sesto going to top him? I don't know. Let's find out. Here we go. Okay, Lambo versus the best. 3, 2, 1. Orange Estoque that. Oh, black F40. Came back.
Lane 1.
Orange Estoque that. Oh, black F40. Came back.
Lane 1.
Alright, here's our reigning champ, the black Ferrari F40. Was able to hold off both Lamborghinis tonight and keep his top spot. I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another race, and stay tuned for some more races. Our bucket's almost empty. Got some other races lined up after that. Please check out my customs and restorations. I got some cool stuff going on there. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. And thanks again for tuning in. See you next time. See ya.